Imagine staring up at the night sky, mesmerized by the infinite galaxies scattered across the cosmos. Now, imagine looking at a detailed scan of the human brain. At first glance, they might seem unrelated. But what if the universe and your brain share more in common than we ever imagined? Could the entire cosmos be a vast, living entity with its own form of consciousness? This question has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. In this exploration, we'll dive into the striking similarities between the structure of the universe and the human brain, analyze scientific theories that suggest the universe might be aware, and consider the philosophical implications of such a possibility. Along the way, we'll also share fascinating stories and real-life examples to bring this mind-bending concept to life. The human brain is composed of about 69 billion neurons, intricately connected through a vast network. These neurons communicate using electrical and chemical signals, forming the foundation of our thoughts, emotions, and consciousness. Interestingly, when astrophysicists examined the distribution of galaxies in the universe, they discovered an astonishing similarity to neural networks. The cosmic web, a large-scale structure that connects galaxies through filaments of dark matter and gas, resembles the way neurons link together. Research by Italian scientists Franco Vazza and Alberto Felletti found that the structural resemblance between the brain and the universe is more than just a coincidence. Both systems share similar levels of complexity and connectivity. The universe is estimated to contain at least 100 billion galaxies, close to the 69 billion neurons in a human brain. The density fluctuation between the cosmic web and brain tissues follows a similar mathematical pattern. If we zoom in onto 0.5 millimeters of the human brain, the structure mirrors a 500 million light-year span of the universe. These similarities raise a provocative question: could the universe itself be processing information, just as our brains do? To answer this, we first need to define consciousness. Traditionally, consciousness is seen as the ability to perceive, process, and respond to information. Humans are among the few known beings capable of complex thought, self-awareness, and an understanding of time. But what if consciousness doesn't require a biological brain? What if it's an emergent property of highly interconnected systems? One leading theory in neuroscience, the integrated information theory (IT), suggests that consciousness arises when a system integrates information in a highly complex way. According to this theory, the more interconnected a system is, the more likely it is to be conscious. By this logic, the universe, with its vast networks of interconnected galaxies, might exhibit some form of fundamental awareness. Ant colonies are often compared to neural networks. While an individual ant is relatively simple, a colony as a whole demonstrates remarkable intelligence. Colonies can solve complex problems, build intricate tunnels, and adapt to changing environments. No single ant thinks as a human does, but together, they form a collective intelligence. Could the universe function in a similar way? Instead of individual neurons, its thoughts might be formed through interactions between galaxies and cosmic structures. Consider this thought experiment. Imagine an ancient alien civilization capable of tapping into the cosmic web. Over millions of years, they develop technology that allows them to manipulate the universe's large-scale structure. Eventually, they reach a point where they don't just observe the universe, they become one with it, guiding its expansion and influencing its cosmic decisions. If such a civilization existed, would they be the universe's consciousness? Or is the universe itself already alive in ways we cannot comprehend? Whether or not the universe is truly conscious, contemplating this idea changes how we view our place in the cosmos. Here are a few key takeaways. Interconnectivity is fundamental. Just as neurons work together to form thought, all elements of the universe are deeply connected. Recognizing this might help us appreciate the importance of cooperation and harmony in our own lives. The power of perspective. By expanding our understanding of consciousness, we might one day recognize intelligence in forms we previously dismissed, such as artificial intelligence, or even planetary ecosystems. A call to explore. If the universe holds secrets about its awareness, it's up to us to uncover them. Future scientific advancements might bring us closer to understanding the very nature of existence. If the universe is conscious, what does that mean for us? This theory suggests that we might be more than just insignificant beings in a vast, indifferent cosmos. Instead, we could be part of a greater whole, contributing to an intricate cosmic awareness. Some scientists and philosophers propose that our own thoughts and actions could influence this universal consciousness in ways we have yet to understand. Throughout history, various religious and spiritual traditions have depicted the universe as a living entity. In Hinduism, Brahman is seen as the universal consciousness encompassing all existence. Taoism describes an all-pervading force that flows through everything. Even some interpretations of quantum mechanics hint at an observer-dependent reality, where consciousness might play a more significant role than we realize. If the universe is conscious, could it also be evolving? Some researchers speculate that over billions of years, the universe might develop a form of intelligence far beyond human comprehension. Perhaps black holes, dark matter, and cosmic radiation play a role in an intricate feedback system, slowly shaping the evolution of a universal mind. This leads to a tantalizing question. If the universe is self-aware, does it have a purpose? Or is its consciousness a mere byproduct of complexity, just as ours might be? So, is the universe conscious? While we don't have a definitive answer, the possibility is intriguing. The similarities between our brains and the cosmic web suggest that the universe might be more than just an empty, lifeless expanse. It could be a vast, thinking entity operating on a scale beyond human comprehension. As science continues to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, perhaps one day we'll discover that we are not just observing the universe, but that the universe is observing us too. And if that's true, we may be one step closer to unlocking the deepest mysteries of existence itself.